So hello guys, let's continue again. Let's see docstrings in function. Let's understand functional docstrings in Python. The very first statement inside the function should be a docstring. A docstring is used to describe the functionality of the function, about the arguments taken, the data type accepted, a brief description of the function, that what it is actually going to do. Even though docstrings are optional, but they are recommended because they help in increasing the readability and maintainability of the code. It's actually a good practice to use docstrings. Docstrings are represented by triple, double quotes or single quotes. We have already seen this in my previous videos. But if you have not already watched my previous video, then you can see the example given on the screen. The full form of docstring is basically document string. So now let's see the syntax of a function with docstring. The docstring will be added at the very beginning of the function and rest of the function body remains the same. There will be no change in the calling of the function. To get the docstring of a function, we can use the following: print function name dot double underscore doc double underscore. In Python, double underscore is also known as dunder. Now let's have a hands-on practical. First, start the Python REPL by giving command python. Once it is started, I will again create a function to greet the user. The function will be accepting argument, but this time the first line will be a docstring instead of a print statement. Now we will be adding a docstring here. So you can see that I have added a very short docstring. Now as usual, we will be writing the body of the function. Here it is a print statement to greet the user. So now I will be calling the function and only the print statement will be executed when the function is called. The docstring will not be printed on the screen. To get the docstring, we need to use print function name dot double underscore doc double underscore. So after this, the docstring will be printed on the screen. Thank you for watching my video. My new video will be uploaded soon. Thank you.